A man wanted for allegedly committing sex crimes against children has been arrested in California.
Just 1 week after a judge in northern Colorado let him go from custody. Your reporter in northern Colorado, Dylan Thomas, is live now. Larimer County's district attorney even accusing that judge of putting public safety at risk.
John Smallbone was originally arrested in Wyoming, charged with 72 counts of creating and possessing child sexual abuse material. He posted $250,000 cash bond, but then failed to show up to his next court appearance. So when he was found here in northern Colorado, police quickly arrested him and prepared him for extradition. But then a magistrate here in Larimer County let him walk free so long as he promised to show up to his next court date, which once again, he didn't.
There is almost no one more clearly deserving of a high bond than someone that has fled another state on child sexual assault charges.
Which is why Larimer County District Attorney Gordon McLaughlin and his team asked for John Smallbone to be held on a $250,000 cash-only bond due to his charges of creating and possessing child sexual abuse material.
That made this person an incredible danger.
The purpose of a bond hearing is to set bond based on someone's risk to the community and their likelihood of appearing for their next court date. In Smallbone's case, he was already considered a fugitive of justice.
We know they're a flight risk. There's no argument about whether this person's a risk to return or not. They've already established they don't want to go return and face those allegations.
McLaughlin said he was shocked when Magistrate Heather Seigel denied the $250,000 cash bond request, instead issuing a personal recognizance bond. The DA recalled the magistrate saying she didn't have enough information on the case to warrant anything beyond that. Smallbone was released and failed to appear at his next court date once again.
Hello, my name is Dylan Thomas. I work with CBS News Colorado.
We called the magistrate's office to ask for an explanation and were deferred to a state spokesperson who told us, quote, "Judicial Code of Conduct prohibits judges and magistrates from speaking publicly or with the media about their own pending or impending cases," end quote. Wednesday morning, Smallbone was arrested once again, this time in California.
And our hope is that the authorities in California take it more seriously than the magistrate here in Larimer County took it.
We should note DA McLaughlin has found himself on the other end of some public scrutiny when it comes to bond requests as well as plea agreements. He tells us he still believes in the rehabilitation process of first-time offenders who are not dangers to the community. He says somebody who has already proven to evade law enforcement and who is also accused of creating and possessing sexual abuse material of children is a much, much different case. Reporting live in Larimer County, I'm Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
All right, Dylan, thank you. Dylan, of course, covering the stories happening all across Weld and Larimer counties. You can always reach out to him with your news tips through cbscolorado.com. You can call that tips line number right there, 303-863-TIPS, or email your reporter at cbs.com.